Good evening to Dr. Uswatol. We are from Group 3 of Nutritional Biochemistry, and today we will be presenting on the topic PUFA and MCT for heart risk and obesity management. So before we begin, I am Danushka, and together with me I have Ain, Farhana, and Jasima. So, as a brief intro, cardiovascular disease includes diseases or injuries that affects the heart or blood vessels of the heart, body, and brain. According to WHO data published in 2018 on coronary heart disease, deaths in Malaysia has reached about 24.69% of total deaths. And being overweight or obese are independent factors for CVD, which can cause determinal changes to our good cholesterol, bad cholesterol levels, and also triglycerides, blood pressure, blood glucose levels. Therefore, individuals who are overweight or obese are highly encouraged to decrease their weight in order to lower their risk for heart diseases. Now, moving on to MCTs, which stands for medium chain triglycerides, which consists of 2 to 3 fatty acids having an aliphatic tail of 6 to 12 carbon atoms. And examples of MCTs are found in palm oil, dairy products, and also coconut oil. And it has been proven that consuming MCTs give positive effects towards good cholesterol levels and negative effects towards bad cholesterol levels. Now, the effects on consuming MCTs on obesity is it can help to promote weight loss. This is because MCTs are rapidly absorbed in the gut and directly into the liver due to their small molecular weight. Therefore, they provide quick energy as they are readily metabolized by the liver. And MCT also increase satiety, which means the feeling of fullness. And they also promote the production of ketone bodies. And it has been shown that consuming MCTs also increases two types of hormones, which are leptin, which is a peptide hormone that signals the brain on how much fat they carry, and also peptide YY, which is an appetite suppressing gut hormone. And lastly, consumption of dietary MCTs enhances thermogenesis and fat oxidation, thus reducing fat deposition in animals and humans.
Next, I will be presenting on the effect of medium chain triglycerides or MCT on cardiovascular disease. A keto diet with MCT is found to have potential impact in reducing the risk of heart disease by helping in losing extra weight in the body. MCT oil in diet can also help lower low-density lipoprotein, which is known as the bad cholesterol, while also increasing the high-density lipoprotein, the good cholesterol. Furthermore, Forbes has said that MCT may offer protective effects on cardiovascular health by improving serum lipid profiles. Additionally, a study of 24 overweight men found that taking MCT oil combined with phytosterols and flaxseed oil for 29 days reduced total cholesterol by 12.5%. However, when olive oil was used instead, the reduction was only 4.7%. MCT significantly reduces C-reactive protein, an inflammatory marker that increases the risk of heart disease.
Next, I will talk about PUFA, polyunsaturated fatty acids. They are fatty acids that contain more than one double bond in their backbone. So their source is walnuts, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and others. Their examples can be omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. They have a positive effects on HDL and negative effects on LDL. So if you consume PUFA, what kind of effect it will have on cardiovascular disease at prevention and treatment. So in immune system, it will increase the thrombosis and lowers the production of arachidonic acid derived eicosanoids. In the heart, it will increase the autonomic function, vagal tone, and myocardial efficiency, and decrease the arrhythmia. While in the liver, it will decrease the triglyceride production and increase the possible small effects on glucose release or glucose neogenesis. And lastly, human arteries. It will lower the blood pressure. At the same time, it will increase the vasodilatory response and arterial wall compliance. I will give the stage to Hannah.
According to the research, it is said that PUFA can limit the development of obesity. It helps in reducing endogenous triglyceride synthesis and enhances the blood clearance of triglyceride-rich particles. Apart from that, overconsumption significantly reduces food intake and contributes to a significant decrease in body fat. In addition, they also reduce the inhibition of lipogenesis, promote fat oxidation, and reduce fat deposition. Then, how about the recommended food intake of PUFA? The dietary guideline for American recommended consuming about 230 gram per week of fish, which correspond to approximately 250 milligram per day of EPA and DHA. In addition, the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) claimed that EPA and DHA can be levels up to 3 gram per day, which are considered as safe, while the other authorities suggested that EPA and DHA can be levels up to 5 to 6 gram per day. So that's all from our group. Thank you.